Let's start it like this, son.
Welcome to another BlackMoney.com video, hosted by Buzz Litecoin. This video is the first of a 4-part series on Cash App. It allows you to send and receive funds without fees for personal use. They do have a business tier that charges a small fee similar to PayPal, but overall it's a great app to send fiat between friends. So let's get started with the install by going to the iOS App Store and searching for Cash App. Click Get or the cloud icon to begin installation. If you're on the Android platform, head over to the Google Play Store and follow along as closely as possible. Once finished, click Open. Enter your 10-digit cell phone number. Click Next and wait for the confirmation code by text. Retrieve the code from the text message and then return to the Cash App. Enter the code here and click Next. Enter your debit card number and then click Next. Now enter the card expiration, CVV, and billing zip code. Then click Next. If you have used this debit card on another Cash App account, it will ask if you want to merge them. I don't, so I click No Thanks and then Confirm. Enter your legal name and then click Next. You can use the provided cash tag or choose your own. What's a cash tag? It's simply a unique handle used to get paid by others. Once you have made the decision, click Next. Inviting friends is a great way for you both to get $5. You can skip this part and share a referral code later or allow Cash App to gain access to your contacts. Once you make your selection, we are now greeted with the Welcome to Cash App screen. Click on the icon in the top left. This is where account settings can be changed like photos, cash tags, security preferences, and PIN numbers. It's always a good idea to increase security when transferring your funds. If you have a Touch ID enabled phone, toggle the security lock for extra protection. Choose a 4-digit PIN. This will be used in case your Touch ID fails. Now confirm the same PIN. Now enter your personal email address and click Next. Then go to the email address and retrieve the confirmation code. Enter it here and then click Next. We have now completed the security setup. I guess we need to add a photo. Click the circle icon in the top center. Click Add Photo. I'm not big on taking new photos, so I'll select the old one by clicking Choose New Photo. Here's one, Himbo Light, for my UFC fans. Let's position the photo and click Choose. Go back to the main screen by clicking the arrow at the top right. Click on Cash Card in the top center. The Cash Card is a physical debit card that allows you to spend your funds with merchants that don't accept cash, anywhere that Visa is accepted. There are also discounts for some companies, but we'll cover that in another video. Click Get Free Cash Card and then Continue. Now you can customize the front of your card. It doesn't necessarily have to match your name, and you can even add symbols by clicking the smiley face icon. Click Next to preview the placement. If satisfied, click Next. If not, click Edit and repeat the process. Enter your mailing address and click Next. Confirm your name that will be printed on the back of the card and then click Next. Enter your date of birth and click Next. Enter the last 4 of your social security number and then click Next. Click Continue. We'll come back to the boost feature in another video. It's recommended to add funds to use all of the Cash Card features. Nice try with the $50. I'm going to click the arrow at the bottom screen to erase this amount and enter a reasonable amount for an app that some of us might be using for the first time. I'm adding $10, and I've used this app over 30 times. Confirm transfer with your Touch ID or PIN number. On the bottom of the confirmation screen is a recurring deposit toggle. This allows you to add $10 or more on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. This is great for keeping yourself on a lunch budget, but I like to add funds when they are needed. Click Done. You should now see an image of your card. Go back to the main screen by clicking the arrow at the top center. To send money to someone else from the Cash App, type in the desired amount. Then click Pay. Now type in the name, cash tag, telephone number, or email address of the person you wish to send to. Click Pay at the top right screen. Verify with Touch ID or PIN number. And click Done on the confirmation screen. The request feature works the same way. Type in the amount requested, then click Request. Now type in the name, cash tag, telephone number, or email address of the person that owes you loot. Click Request at the top right screen. And click Done on the confirmation screen. The other side of the request process looks like this. Cash App alert is received. Click on the alert to open the app and click Pay that dollar amount. Now verify with Touch ID or PIN number. You can decline this request by choosing the ellipsis or three dots at the top right. Then click Decline Request, then Yes to confirm. And that completes our first Cash App tutorial. Like I said earlier, this is a great app for fiat transfer. Until next time, feel free to come back for more frugal finance advice. Peace.
There we are. Nice and fresh. I use a better grade than the government. When people get used to my money, they won't accept